Hey guys, it's Micah, and today we're doing a shorts tutorial. I was requested to do this, and hopefully it can help some of you guys and you can get some tips for this because I know some of you do not have Adobe Premiere Pro, so you guys are using different systems to be able to do y'all videos, but hopefully y'all can get something from this. So the first thing we're going to do is, what is the first thing we're going to do? Okay, we're going to go here to Adobe. Ignore that system issues found because I don't actually have any. So we go to File, then go to New and click Sequence. Then you're going to go to Settings. I hate this. Hold on. I hate that. Okay, so you're going to go to Settings, and then at the top where it says Editing Mode, right here is where you want to change how the video goes up and down. You need to change this. So we're going to go here, go all the way to the top, go to Custom. We're going to basically be switching these two numbers. So right here, you're going to type in 1080. And over here, you're going to type in 1920. And it's going to turn in 916. That is what's going to make that up and down. And then we're just going to click OK. Then we're going to go and get a video that we want to use. Getting a video. Let's see what we have. Okay, we'll use this one. I'm going to change these right quick to non-drop. Okay, that's not important. It does nothing. I just don't like to look at it. Okay, we're going to take these and we're going to put them here. Keep existing settings. I personally mute the music or I move it because I'm not currently, using the music. So I'm just going to take the music here and mute it. Okay, so whatever you want in your video would be the best time right now to be able to I personally don't start with this. What I normally do is go here, New, Sequence, and I keep my sequence at AV CHD 1080p 30. This is what I keep it on, and I just click OK. This is going to open up a new sequence. Right from here, let's delete these. From here, you can take your video here. I say keep existing, and then we're going to click this. We're going to right click it, go down to scale frame size. There. Then we're going to go, because I know exactly where I want. This is where the music is at the bottom here. So like I said, I'm going to take the music and I'm going to mute it. Okay, so this is where you will pick how much of the video that you want. I don't know if you're making a new video. It'll be different, but if you're not making a new video and you're just using one of your old videos, this is what I do. I'm gonna change it again to non-drop frame, and then go to where it starts. I personally go through and just like remove things that I don't want in the video that's like not important to show in a short because we only have a little bit of time. And then we're gonna take the razor tool and we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna just click it and click delete. We're gonna bring it up because we need to see how long it is. And remember to keep your shorts under 1 minute. I see people's shorts that's at 1 minute and 3 seconds, 1 minute and 5 seconds, 1 minute and 1 second. No, it needs to be under a minute. And I usually stay around 40 seconds, but you could do it at 50 seconds if that's what you choose to. But it has to be 59 seconds, not 1 minute. It doesn't work that way. So let's see how much time. I'm actually just gonna do this right quick so I can be able to see how much it is. Just cut that down right quick. I did that really fast. Hopefully y'all caught that. Okay, so this is 1 minute and 31 seconds. So this is about the time where I will go and get the razor tool and I will go through and cut unnecessary parts in here. Oh, let me mute. It's the wrong one I muted on. Okay, I will go through and cut and see which parts need to be removed because it's unnecessary to show in a short. And if you don't want to do that, you can always speed up your short as well, which is what I'll show you right quick. I right click it, go to speed duration, and then I just move it down until I get to the time I want to use. I usually, like I say, I stay really low. Okay. Gonna just cut that down so I can see this correctly. You can add music in. You don't have to use the original music that was put in there, but that's what I do. I use the original music. And then that is how I create a short. That's how I create a short from a video I've already used. If you guys want me to give you a tutorial to do a short from scratch, let me know. Okay, it looks good. It looks real good. Okay, and then we're gonna take this video and the song right here, and we're gonna move it to this sequence over here. This is the sequence that we have made the up and down one, to the vertical one. Gonna take it, move it over here. There you go. And then we're gonna say keep existing settings. And this is the part where some people get like a little confused or whatever. Okay, so you see like the background is like black, and some people don't want their backgrounds to be black. So what I do is I copy it. So click copy at the top right here. And then we're gonna go here and we're gonna click control. You have to make sure you're nowhere near anything else while you do this. So I put my thing here. Do not leave it here. Move it over. Okay. And click control V. Boom. It copied it. So it's the same video. We're going to take the bottom video and we're going to make it big. So we're going to we're going to click the arrows right here. And we're going to go to effect controls. We're going to open that up some. Okay. Have to click it again because sometimes it don't automatically show up. Right here, we're going to scale the background to be big. That's it. We're going to scale it to be big. There. And then we're going to go down here, click on effects, click this, and type in blur. B-L-U-R, blur. I use the one that starts with a G, and I can't pronounce it to save my life, but it's this one right here is what I use. I take it and I drop it on top of it. Not the top one, the bottom one. Then we go scroll down. It's going to pop up right here. And then we're going to, choose our blur. I'm going to go for this. It's what I normally go for. And that is how I create my shorts from videos I've already done. Then you can add your music in. That's it. That's it. That's all I do. And then the next thing that is really important to do, yeah, I know you was updated. The next important thing to do is when you go here, go to file, go down to export, go to media. When you are exporting, you need to make sure that your export matches its source. And I'll show you guys that in a second when the thing decides that it wants to pop up. Okay, now we're here. Right here, don't click this. This is going to make your stuff look not good. Don't click that. What you want to do is click here where it says preset. Click that. Go all the way down here to the one that says YouTube. Again, I do not know which one you guys are using, so I don't know which ones you should click for, whatever system you're currently using. Okay, and then we go down. I use maximum render quality. I change my frame sampling to frame blending, and I go all the way down. This is kind of annoying because it should be showing you that part, but it's kind of annoying. Okay, so anyways, when you scroll down here, it's going to say right here, basic video settings. Next to effects, right here it says video, right there. And then you're going to click match. Listen, match source. And it keeps it in this vertical set. Then I scroll down and I make sure that I say render at maximum depth. And that is it. And then I click export. Okay, that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you got something from this. And if you need help with anything else, let me know. Love you all. Bye.